Right, another day. Sun's out again. This time we've come to Edlington. Is it Edlington Pit Top?
Yeah.
Edlington Pit Top, and I've got a special guest who's finally come out of hibernation. Da da da. Hey up, Simon. Long time no see. So we're out in your neck of woods, aren't we? I've not seen that before, have I there, Si?
Actually, I haven't been up this end properly before.
And yeah.
I've only come down it on the bike, so when I did first time I went up to Pit Top.
Well, the fire's in the sky. I think we need to make most of it though, because I don't think it's going to last. What a stunning view, mate. Look at that. Is that a forest over there?
A little bit of one, yes.
Oops. I always do that, try and zoom and then it goes up and down. There we go. Yeah, what a stunning place. Well, someone's got face on, Si.
I think that's pretty new.
Flora. Oh, we've got a yeah, Si, Pitwood Princess. I wonder what this is.
I think they're trying to take off with the Sleeping Princess in Thailand.
That makes sense. Should we do a seat with a view?
Go on then, we'll do it together.
We always do a seat with a view.
Yeah, Sleeping Princess from Thailand.
Oh, right.
It's called. The one where that 13 boys got trapped in that cave inside.
Is that what it is? Yeah, not a bad view. Another face there. Yeah, what a beautiful day, mate. Right, we're going to get drone up in a bit. We're just going to carry on for a little bit more of a walk. But we are coming across stuff like this. So, which way do you think we're better off going, Si? Through there.
Through the woods, it's straight there.
He's trying to get me through the woods. Do I trust him? Do it? Yeah, we'll trust you, Si.
Oh, I haven't been around this end before. That's pretty new. I reckon that's probably done in the last year.
I know the first time we met, you tried taking me through wood. Look, there's even that there, look. Wow. Right, we'll have a carry on up there then and see what... Yeah, there's a lot of pine trees around here. Some weird noises coming out of here, mate. I think we'll do 2 flights. We'll have a look from above and see what we've got in these little forests as well. It's like the Pit Top in Armford, what I could say. Always reminds me of Canada and places like that.
These look like kind of Canadian pine, don't they?
Yeah. Yeah, stunning place. Right, we're going to head up this hill here. Seems to be a flat bit and like a nice little forest there. So, yeah, it's lovely, mate. Look at this bit here. All them baby pines. Get your Christmas tree from here, couldn't you?
They were last year, weren't they? But they were a lot smaller.
A lot smaller, yeah.
On the other side it was it as well. Because if you remember the first time I came up here on my bike, I fell off in the bloody wood bit.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Have you got that on video?
And it, not falling off, but sorting my bike out.
Yeah.
Here. I was sat here.
Yeah, let's have a look at this backdrop behind us. Right. We'll go up this hill here.
These are the hills you can see from my window.
It's true that, yeah. Yeah, look at this view here, guys. We're going to have a minute and then we're going to take drone up and see what we can see. It's a bit hazy today though, isn't it? Yeah, mine's a little bit louder than yours, Si. There'll be no cinematic shots here because I'm recording on mic as well. Let's go up and see what's below us. Yeah, the Neo's a bit slower than the Mini. "61 metres. I'll put it in sports mode, it'll be quicker. Oh wow, yeah, it's a bit hazy today as well, like looks of it. Yeah. Well, we're at 98 metres. There we are. We'll go to 120. There we go. God, it's very hazy today, Si. Let's have a look what's... Yeah, look at that. Bloody hell. Looks like there's a little pond. Where are we? Guess who's out? That bird. Ah, so that's where they're building them new houses over there. Yeah, there's a little pond there, look, which I'll be able to have a look at another day. Plenty of pine trees about. There's another lake over there as well. Oh, cool. Yeah, it's very, very... would you call it hazy or misty? I'd say haze. Another little forest there. Which way are we? I'm going to see which way. Let's see where we are. Our home point is there. That way. Ah, there we are. So that forest there we'll have a look in a bit. Oh, there's a little... just through here, Si. There's a little, like another little Stonehenge thing. I'll go and have a look now, look.
That's where we were. That's the one we're going.
Oh, it is, isn't it? We've been there before. Yeah, you're right.
I'll do a circle shot there
Yeah.
as well.
So we'll have a little look through forest and then we'll go to that. Yeah, we'll save that for in a bit then. Right. Like I said, I'm not going to edit this flight because I'm recording over with Mike, so it's not going to be very cinematic. Basically just see what we can see from above. Yeah, it's very, very hazy today. I don't even know where I am.
Look at here.
We're somewhere up there, I sound like a little bee.
Have you got the height meter up?
Yeah, 113 at minute. I'm somewhere. Ah, we're there, so I can literally just land now. I'll return to home. Yeah, yeah. I would as an extra video. Right, we're going to have a walk through this little forest here. Like I said, there's not much to see from above because it's really hazy.
Revisit with John.
Yeah. Do you know what? I think we'll just cut through here. I'm going to have 5 minutes flying, and then if we're literally just through there, we can let Si have a fly through there, eh, Si? Nice and cool in here as well.
Text and pointers from John. Not putting mine up in here. I might actually actually, it's probably straight on one of these.
This is a nice little spot, look. Perfect. We don't have to go far. Yeah, perfect. Oh no, a Yeti! We've got a Yeti! Where is he?
Squeal like me.
Oh, it's only Si. Hello, Si. I thought you were a Yeti then. Right, we'll have a little fly here. So yeah, we're just going to have a little... just a slow little cinematic flight. It's going a bit quicker today for some reason. There we go.
You'll be able to see his footage on John's channel.
So if you put it in cinematic before you fly, it'll still stay in normal mode. So once you're flying, you'll have to put it back into cinematic. Like I said, just a little fly around, that's all it is. I get a bit curious, you know, when I'm at a new place. Right. So these are what you've got to watch out for, these little twigs. Lovely. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Yeah, it's quite dense. Let's have a little sneak here, look. I better update my own point though, just in case. Right, we've got a Yeti walking around. Let's see if we can find him. Yeah, it's getting a bit dense here, like. I wonder if I can go out and then come back in, look. I'll try and keep this to 5 minutes. Oh wow, look at the view there. Stunning. Nice. Right, let's have a look. Yeah, that's the way we went in, look. Nice and slow. I think we're coming this way. Yeah. Oh, there we are, look. So the Neo, I think, is a do-it-all drone, isn't it, Si? But the Mini, what Simon's got, is perfect for
Like
city shots, urban shots from above. Oh, there's the Yeti, look. Hello, Si. Oh, bugger, sorry. I'll have to beat that. Right, we'll go around here and then we'll bring it back in. Just a short flight, and then I think Simon's going to film the Stonehenge, like you say.
Yep, I'm going to do a few shots on there.
So if you can hear me, go check Simon's channel out. I'll put this link in the description. People have been wondering if we'd fell out because we've not filmed for ages. Oh look, Yetis. Drink belly in. Suck belly in. That's enough, right? Yeah. Right, and we'll stop. Right, that were a nice little fly around. I've not gone too far, Si, because last time I went to somewhere I didn't know, I was crashing into trees. It's getting quite dense as well, isn't it? Yeah, so we'll go left here. Do you know what? I think pine trees are a really nice tree, aren't they?
They smell nice.
Yeah.
can hear, you can smell the fresh air coming in as well.
Yeah, look. There we go. A little pine cone, look.
Got a little bit of fishing right around and put it on your notice board.
Yeah.
If you've got one. That's not what it were last time.
Are you sure we're in the right place?
It's another one.
Well, if you want a Christmas tree, there's plenty around.
And there's a vine as well.
Look at this here, this pit. We didn't come to this bit before, Si.
Eh?
We'd never come here.
No, they're saying the pit top.
No. We can have a sit there and you can have a fly around here if you want.
Yeah.
I'm just going to film here then. Stunning seating. And then we've got like a wildlife. Look at that. Stunning. EPCG Edlington Pitwood 2023. Nice. Yeah, absolutely beautiful around here. Just round this corner we'll see a lot more at forest as well. I can't find Stonehenge though, Si.
I think that's the other direction.
Yeah, look at the colour of these. Yeah, look at that. Well, that's pretty quick really, isn't it? You've got like a mixture of green and brown. Yeah, I better stay there 20 metres, I don't want to... So I've got it in sports mode now at the minute. Yeah, it's very, very hazy. I'm losing signal here, so I better come back. Right, we're just going to have a look at this view here. We've nearly fell on our bloody backsides, haven't we, Si? It's that slippy.
The amount of slush down there.
Right, let's have a look.
I know my shoes are meant for hiking, but...
Yeah, there's the view, look.
We can't see that building site.
Ah, yeah. Of course we could, yeah. So it's definitely up here somewhere. Right, we'll carry on. We've got 2 ways to go.
If nothing seems right, go left.
Yeah. That way's a bit sludgy. Let's go this way. Still nice, isn't it, today? Look at that, stunning. I don't know if it's picking it up because these don't focus properly, do they? It's just full and full of pine trees.
I'm cooking. The focus is on my arms.
Yeah, it's a bit weird.
Where it's pointed at.
Now let's carry on down here because it's sludge on. Ouch, on right.
As long as we're heading downwards, we're okay, I think.
Yeah. I'm definitely going to come back here, Si, in summer. Right, I think we're going to go right now. Oop. Yeah. We'll go this way. Down this bit. It's still waterlogged. Yeah, look.
Cheers, John.
Oh.
This story been shot last time.
Yeah. Every time you tackle somewhere, Si, it's always waterlogged. Anyway, we'll get through it and then we'll bring you back. Can you swim?
Holy cack.
Oh, we can go right here, but Let me just show you this, look. Oh God. Proper waterlogged here. We're not going through there. We'll have to go here.
I'm walking through that. Even without thinking out of the boundary here.
This is a proper adventure now. Every time I follow you, we get waterlogged. Do you think we can get out of this end? Should be. We'll have a look in a bit. Well, we found it. What is it, Si? Pit top log end with wooden posts and trees, stumps.
Next time I'm going to charge me. This is what came to see in the first place.
There we go, look.
Log
Nice.
edge.
Log end. Oh, it's a good job they've put that gate there, Si, so you can't get through. Oh, wait.
1001 useless items.
Yep. Look at this here. Stunning. Right, we've made a 5-minute stop at Pit Top Log End.
Yep.
So, as you can see, upright. We're just charging Simon's drone up and he's going to put it over for a couple of minutes.
And just do another circle like
yeah,
this while
yeah.
we're here.
And see if you can see them new builds and see how they're doing. Right, we're going to finish video here, have 5 minutes here, then go and have a coffee. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe, as Simon says.
See you later, guys.
Catch you later. I'll see you on next video.